So we are now in Amsterdam city centre and we are looking for the club which is called Melkweg. See?
Wow, the interesting flavours I can smell on this street, Jet.
So, yeah, we're going to go over the hill.
Yes, the gully wind.
T's here for one thing only, mate. One thing only. The old classic Amsterdamness. The Amsterdam
flavour, Jet.
Give Amsterdam flavour. There, yeah. Oh, that says exit only. Yeah, this way.
You're going like you're a bad man.
Hello, mate. I'm performing tonight. Okay.
Let's go to the box office.
Thank you very much, sir. How you doing, man? I'm performing tonight. Busy Bee. And I've got TDK with me. Awesome. Busting the brain recording, and we've got Simon Too Bad Mice over there, flipping wicked, man. TDK, dropping his bomb scare merchandise.
This man's gonna take me down the shop right now.
Oh dear, man. So how's it going? You busy or what? Let me get you on the old vlog, man. Yeah. Oh, so you got a kid now?
Yeah.
Oh, congratulations, man. Boy or girl?
Boy.
How old now?
A year and 3 months.
Oh, nice, man. These are the easy times. Yeah. When they get to like 17, 18, 16, then it's a challenge. Then it's a challenge because that's when they get a mind of their own, and they challenge you every day, and they put your mind to the test. You know what I mean? My two girls, they're doing really well for themselves. I'm really proud of them. You know what I mean? But you know they're older now, a lot wiser. They're teaching me stuff now. You know what I mean? They're teaching me stuff now. Yeah. Oh, man, we're rivals. I'm gonna have to play some of your tunes, man. This is the original junglist. This guy, he has a science CP.
3, 4, 5. Really cool. 2 templates, 10 inch.
Yes, big up, man. What's your name?
AJ.
Yes, big up, man. Big up. Hey, whoa. What's going on, bro? Yes. Big up, man. There's a man, Alfredo.
Rotterdam massive. Big up your brother, Missy B. Great rotation to alongside TDK. Now, man, one love.
Yes, bro. How you doing? Long time, man. What's up, mate? Yeah, mate. All good. You still on it, yeah? You still on it? Hi there. Nice to meet you.
Now I have to find a smoking area. I've been to where I need to be then.
Well, did you go down the road there?
It's just the place is done.
Is it?
Got some scum please, you just went like that. There you go. It just had to be that.
Never see that? When's it coming?
Wham!
Ganja! Strictly Sensibilia where we smoke all the time. Big up our crew.
Yeah! The Cali way!
I wanted to take you around and show him a bit of Amsterdam, man.
I wanted to see the calves, so I could go and get myself some kind of way. But if it wasn't for my man there from Too Bad White, saved me. He just put me down to the They said I got it way. They say it from a distance.
I've lost my weed already.
Oh my god, man.
I gotta find the
Right, let me get this
from a distance. Me have to go smell the Cali way.
This is definitely the smoking room.
Yeah, I wanted to show you my weed, but accidentally something else came out.
Kids, don't smoke this stuff, it's bad for you.
Sense of million smoking. Original background style, yeah, this one. Big up PCB and the assassin. Bad boy.
All the kids watching at home, don't take drugs. Bad for you.
Yeah, man. Massive. Another baby cake.
Baby cane, we got some baby cane, he's got the baby cane merchandise on, man. Great record, massive. Great record. What's your name?
Brian Lee.
Big up, man. Big up, Brian Lee, man. Nice one, man. Thanks for all your support and everything. It's much appreciated. So you've been listening to Jungle a long time, then?
Yeah, just well, beginning of the 90s. It started for me like with Alternate.
Yeah. Alternate, yeah, I remember them days.
This is the moment they've all been waiting for. This is the sound of Alternate.
And then like the compilation albums of jumping and bumping records, stuff like that.
So you was actually into it from way back then?
Yes.
Oh, that's serious. So I've got to say a big up to a guy called Gerald, who was absolutely wicked catching a piece of his set. I was actually gobsmacked to hear him play Crowd Says Rewind in his set, which was a real cool moment for me, because a guy called Gerald is one of my legends from a long time ago, from back in the day. We're talking tracks like Voodoo Ray, 28 Gun, Bad Boy. Big up, man.
Gerald Simpson, born the 16th of February 1967, better known as a guy called Gerald, is a British DJ, record producer and musician.
Seeing a guy called Gerald play one of our brain tracks, Crowd Says Rewind, was awesome, man, awesome.
He was an early member of 808 State and later achieved success as a solo artist.
Another cool thing that I learned on this trip here is that I saw him DJing using an iPad Pro connected up to some sort of cable, and which I later learned was, I believe, Tractor Pro. It had a little mini mixer with it, and it was really cool stuff. He was doing something quite innovative, something I've not seen before, where he was pressing and sort of getting the hit points on the beats together and mixing live with this thing, man. And it was really cool because he didn't have much to carry with him. You could imagine just a cable, an iPad, and a little mixer. Take my hat off. Big up, mate.
He is best known for his early work in the Manchester acid house scene in the late 1980s S1 and the track Voodoo Ray, 28 Gun Bad Boy. His style developed during the early 1990s, and his 1995 album Black Secret Technology would become a much touted candidate for this junglist album ever. Two Bad Mice. Bio-formed in 1991. Two Bad Mice, the name originating from the tale of Two Bad Mice by Beatrix Potter, are widely credited as among the first UK hardcore acts to begin heavily incorporating break beats into the style. Consisting of members Sean O'Keefe, Simon Colebrook and producer Rob Playford, owner of Moving Shadow Records. Two Bad Mice were a staple on the early to mid-single "90s hardcore scene and were instrumental in the music's steady mutation into jungle/drum and bass. The group's influential approach to sampled beats, cutting them up into shards of rhythm and rearranging them in novel combinations, first appearing in mature form on the 1992 hit From Scare, is generally considered the blueprint from which jungle's characteristic manipulation of breaks was assembled. To be continued. Blood Clot Jungled Techno. Blood Clot Jungled Techno.
So that's it for the vlog, people. Hope you enjoyed it. Smash that like button if you want to see part 3. Take care, God bless, peace. To be continued. Look out for the next one, part 3, coming your way soon.